Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the Kitchen Without Walls YouTube channel. Whoever is online, I request you to like, share, comment. Remember, these kits are sponsored by the Country Hotel. It's located in Local Road, opposite Ruby's Auto Station, next to Pride Flavor. So you can come and try them for any service. So visit their website, www.countryhotel.com. Their social media platforms, Country Hotel, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So try them, trust me. Okay, today we are going to do French fries. We are going to do French fries. We have our chopped chips or chopped Irish. It is in water. We are going to crush. We are going to crush some garlic. We apply garlic for taste. We apply garlic for taste. We are going to put some salt. The reason why we apply salt, we need our chips to get that good taste. So we are going to apply turmeric for color. We are going to apply turmeric for color. I'll apply 2 pinches of turmeric. So after, we are going to half boil the chips. So we are going to boil the chips. We are going to boil the French fries or chips. We don't need them mashed, but we are going to half boil them. After half boiling, we are going to strain the chips, then we deep fry them. So you boil or you half boil. So we are going to strain our chips. So just look at the chips. You can even think they are ready, but they are just half cooked. This yellowish, we applied some turmeric for color. So we are going to deep fry. Okay, we are deep frying until golden brown. I just love the beautiful color. So we applied, or we first half-boiled our chips. We applied salt, some garlic, and some turmeric for color. So after we strained, after straining, we deep fried. So this is what we have. So let me check. My chips are ready. Okay, we have our chips. We are going to apply some onions and aromat. So mix. So I'm going to serve. So aside, I'm going to put some chicken kebabs. I'll slice them. Okay, this is what we have. I'll put some spring onions.